Hey there! We all have those pesky habits that we wish we could just kick to the curb. Whether it's biting your nails, procrastinating, or endlessly scrolling through social media, we've all been there. But today I'm going to share some powerful tips to help you say goodbye to bad habits forever. First up, let's talk about awareness. You can't change what you don't acknowledge. Take a moment each day to reflect on your actions and identify those habits you want to break. Write them down and be specific. Awareness is the first step towards transformation. Next, let's dive into the why. Understanding the root cause of your bad habit is crucial. Ask yourself, why do I do this? Maybe it's stress, boredom, or even a lack of confidence. Once you identify the trigger, you can start to address it head-on. Now let's replace the bad habit with a good one. Habits are deeply ingrained, so you need something positive to fill that void. If you're trying to quit smoking, replace it with a quick walk or some deep breathing exercises. The key is to create a new, healthier routine. Accountability is another game changer. Share your goals with a friend or family member. Having someone to support you and hold you accountable can make all the difference. They can encourage you, celebrate your wins, and help you stay on track. Let's not forget about patience. Breaking a habit doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and persistence. Don't be too hard on yourself if you slip up. Celebrate small victories and keep pushing forward. Lastly, visualize your success. Picture yourself free from that bad habit. Imagine how much better you'll feel and how proud you'll be. Visualization can be a powerful motivator to keep you going. So there you have it. Awareness, understanding your why, replacing bad habits, accountability, patience, and visualization. These steps can set you on the path to breaking bad habits for good. Remember, you have the power to change. Believe in yourself and take it one day at a time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips on living your best life. Catch you in the next one.